Hello everybody, today we're going to be showing you how my mom makes her lemonade. I know everyone has specific recipes, but we love this one the most. And it's made with honey, so it's really good. So first, you're going to chop up some lemons in half. And then you're going to squeeze them with a squeezer, or you could do it with those handheld ones, whatever is easier for you, but we like this one. We've had it for a really long time actually, and it's never failed us before. Then you're going to add all of that lemon juice to a blender along with some honey. About 1 cup of it. And also 5 cups of cold water. I guess you could also add ice if you want to make a slushie instead of lemonade, but you can also add that after for just making it cooler. Oh, she is putting some. I guess you could put more ice cube, like the ratio of ice cubes to water needs to be more to make it slush, but yeah, add a little bit just so that it's cold. Like actually cold, you know. And then she definitely didn't force my brother to go get some mint from our backyard. And you're gonna put that in. And blend it once again. Obviously wash it, by the way, before you put it in the blender. And this is a little bit secret ingredient. Just add some lemon zest and blend it again. Once it's done, it should have a lot of nice frothy stuff on the top, and you can finish with a garnish of mint. It's super good. We always bring this. Oh, look, he loves it so much. We bring it up to my dad when he's working. But yeah, we hope you enjoy this lemonade recipe. Let us know if you like it, and let us know how your family makes it, because I know this is a very, normal staple in people's homes. That's it. Happy lemonading. Bye.